Online school is probably one of the biggest hurdles that our generation has faced. New studying environment, staring at the screen all day, all of this because of our new quarantine life. It is very easy for us to get lost and unmotivated. And the problem will compound because this is probably gonna last for a long time. People are at their comfort zone, in our bedroom or in our couches. It's very easy for us to fall into procrastination now that our distractions are easily accessed. Even if you try your best to find time for studying, don't lie to me, that bed looks really comfortable, doesn't it? So what are the things that we have to do when starting a brand new year, specifically in school or university, or generally in life?
Hashtag productivity guru over here.
Hi, I'm Kai Notebook, and in this video, I want to share 3 tips on how to be productive on your school/university life. The first tip I have for you is to set up a basic routine. Trust me, routines are a great way of removing insignificant tasks that can make you worry while you're studying or working on something. Now, whether that's fixing your messy bed, cleaning your room, taking a shower, or putting makeup. I don't put makeup, that was an example. But your morning routine is basically the preparation that you need to do before starting a day or before you sleep, or any time of the day. Basically, it's the things that need to be done before your quote-unquote work mode. This is very helpful when going into the flow state, which is a video I'll be talking about in the future. It helps you not worry about the unimportant things while you're studying. For example, you don't have to worry about your messy bed once you fixed it. Or you don't have to worry about preparing food because you already prepared it. Or simply, you don't feel like a slump after a warm, hot shower. Simple things like these that are done in the day before your work/studying will ease your mind of any worries. I find that once I accomplish the things that I need to do before studying, I feel more relaxed and more burden-free, which in turn helps me study and focus on my studying and classes. So applying this, try listing down the things that you want to take care first. Let's say when you wake up. Remember, these are the usual small things like washing the dishes, preparing food, cleaning the room, or showering, or etc. Things that, when done, would ease your mind during studying/work. Once you're done listing your tasks, it's important to set a deadline for those tasks. For me, I set the deadline at 7 a.m., meaning finishing my morning routine by 7 a.m. This is taking advantage of Parkinson's law. Moving on to tip number 2, which is arguably the most important, which is sleep. Now, I can't emphasize enough how important this is. Sleep is everything. Every time I break my schedule or that I'm very unproductive, 99% of the time it's because of me breaking my sleep schedule or me sleeping really late in the morning. I know we all messed up our sleep schedule now that we're at home all the time. But generally, you should try sleeping at least at a time where you'll be comfortable to wake up at your desired time. I know we're at night and busy looking at TikTok, browsing Instagram, watching YouTube. One trick I found helpful, at least for me, for sleeping is to listen to music or sleep ASMR. Not those, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, those kinds of sleep ASMR. You can find tons of those on YouTube. Shut every light source out and you're pretty much good to go. There are plenty apps as well that can help you try not to use your phone. Or simply, you could just social distance from your phone, putting it outside the room or somewhere hard to access, so that you can have a lesser chance of getting out and getting your phone. Since blindfolds are also great. The third tip is to have a dedicated study space. Now, it's important to dedicate a space mainly for productive work. It helps set the mindset, I guess, when you're in a place dedicated for studying, and hopefully that can also get you into the flow state. And like I said earlier, as an example of a morning routine, I don't know who you are, but clean your room.
It is time, everybody, for us neat people to rise. Us single people need to show the world what we are made of.
And a bonus tip I have is to organize everything. With online school nowadays, it's easy for us to get lost, so having great organization is important as it's so easy to, be caught up with the motion. I personally use Notion to organize everything, and I'll make a video about that in the future. Video. Well, these were 3 tips that hopefully can help you study well in the future and be productive, as well as have a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and remember, drink lots of water. That is a new catchphrase. Hey guys, it's Kai Notebook. Thank you so much for watching another video. I'm sorry if I've just been posting study with me's. I'm really sorry, I'm just a terrible YouTuber. I promise a lot of content will be coming soon. It's just that I've been experimenting with a lot of things, like my schedule and whatever. But anyway, hopefully I can produce more content for you guys, even though it's a small audience. I really appreciate that you guys are watching me. Hopefully I will post more content that are outside studying with me. Oh my god. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao ciao. Thank you.